Today I woke up, looked into my ClickFunnels account, and I realized I made $299 before my day even got started. So I went back to sleep. What's up, you guys? Your boy Mario here, and today I'm going to share with you how to make $300 per day passive income through affiliate marketing, even while you are sleeping, and even from a very small YouTube channel. So before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos how to make money online, so you can escape 9 to 5 rat race and become free. Okay, so this is basically a commission from a company that I personally use, ClickFunnels, and it's a sales funnel company. They help me build sales funnels, and the way how I promoted it was basically recording YouTube videos, right? Because YouTube is one of the best platforms how you can create that passive income for yourself. And but most people give up because they don't see any reward from their efforts when they are trying to build their YouTube channel. So let me quickly show you. I have a very small channel. I have only, as you can see, only a couple hundred subscribers at the moment you are watching this video right now. And let me show you what is the video that generated this commission. So let me quickly find it. And for people like you guys, anyone can do it, like from anywhere in the world. You just need the laptop and mobile phone and internet connection. So this was the video. I was recommending the product that ClickFunnels had launched at that moment. And so I am explaining how they can, like, what's inside the offer and all of that. And as you can see, guys, that this video got only 1,500 views. And to make $300 from a YouTube channel, you would have to have a video that gets 300,000 views, because on average people get like $1 per 1,000 views. And get $300 from your YouTube channel, you would need 300 times 1,000. That's 300,000 views. And this is not easy to do, right? And when people are getting started, it's discouraging because you are not. So my YouTube channel is not even monetized yet, and I make more money thanks to this commission that most people that have much more subscribers and views on their channel, right? So, but I didn't create my YouTube channel to monetize it thanks to YouTube. I use it for my business, to share valuable things and stuff like that. And affiliate marketing, that I'm affiliated, like partnered up with the companies and with the helpful tools that I personally use. And so how you can make this like every day? Well, basically this is a simple video. It's only like 5 minutes, right? It's nothing special. As you can see, like, I look terrible. I have like the video quality is horrible, right? I didn't even bother to record it with proper camera. I was basically using just my laptop camera, and if you don't want to be on camera, you can just record the screen. But it would be better to do both, because humans connect with other humans, and so that will increase your conversions, right? And I use paid tools, but there is a you can record it through Loom, which is a free tool to record at the same time your screen and your camera. Or recently also Vimeo launched something like that. So there are free options as well. I use paid. This is recorded through Camtasia. And so to do $300 every day, you would need to record, like if you make only $300 from only one video, then you would need 365 videos like that. And that may seem like a lot, right? So but maybe for many people, like extra $300 a week would be nice, right? And that way you only need, so there are 12 months times 4, so there are 48 weeks in a year. So you not only need like 50 videos to do. You can do that within a week if you really focus on that. But I would recommend you to do that more consistently. So record like 1 or 2 videos per week, and just review the tools that you are already using and sign up for their affiliate program, and then you can be getting commissions like this. Okay, so make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. And if you have any questions about this, just leave them below. I will get back to you and give you all the help that you need to escape 9 to 5 and become free. Okay, and just don't give up. This sale, I've recorded this video like 9 months ago or something like that, and so those rewards may come later, but you will be putting effort into it, and before you realize, you will be starting getting commissions, and but most people give up because it may seem tough. But if you watch this video thus far, then I truly believe you can do it, because you can stick the things in. So just keep producing that content, and you will get there. And if you would like to sign up for this, ClickFunnels affiliate program is one of the best out there. So if you would like to promote the same one, I will put the link below where you can get free trial for ClickFunnels, and also my free course for ClickFunnels that can help you get started with that. So I will put that also below in the description. Okay, so and now you can watch my other video by clicking here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video if you got value from this, and I will see you on the next video.